buses and load flow techniques in our power system. Now I am starting with the types of buses. Basically there are three types of buses in our power system. First one is generator bus. This bus is also called the PV bus. In these buses, the real power generated and the voltage magnitude are specified. The generators are directly connected with the generator bus. Second one is load bus. Load bus is also called PQ bus. In these buses, the net real power and reactive power are specified. Slack bus. Slack bus is also called swing bus because the system losses are undefined precisely before the load flow solution. So it is not possible to identify the real power injected in our power system. Hence we use the slack bus to provide the real power as the losses to our power system. In these buses, the voltage magnitude and the phase angle of voltage are specified. Now I am going to load flow techniques. Load flow techniques there are basically three methods for load flow techniques. First one is Gauss method, Gauss-Seidel method, and Newton-Raphson method. Among these three methods, Newton-Raphson method is mostly used for the load flow solution because it has more advantages. The iterations used for Newton-Raphson method is less. Memory used for feeding our data is less. Time required is less. But this method has one disadvantage because it is more difficult to calculate the load flow solution. And two starting methods, Gauss method and Gauss-Seidel methods, are not used for the load flow solution because there are many iterations and memory used for these methods. Thank you.